Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm giving an update on the house. I have not been checking in like I thought I would and updating the progress of the renovation of my dream home, but it's because just everything has just been so busy. It has been the holidays and the New Year's, and renovation is very demanding and strenuous. But I did go to Philly 2 weeks ago, and I did a walkthrough of the current status of the house, which I am going to show you guys in a clip. So one of the biggest things that I'm so excited about is picking a paint color. Now, I want my whole house to be white. And so that may seem like so simple, but it's 1,000 or 1,000,000 white colors. So picking a right white is like my biggest challenge. I don't want the white to be too milky where it has like a yellowish undertone. I don't want it to be too stark where it looks like a hospital or, So finding that right color white is what my main objective is when I get back there. Also, my kitchen is done. The cabinets went in, the countertop went in. I got all the appliances there. Like, everything worked out so crazy. Okay, so let me just talk about some little things that happened while I was in Philly the last time. So I've been wanting a cafe range, and I was actually going to buy the cafe range with a double oven, and I'll show you guys what it looks like right now. And I've been loving that range. Not only is it beautiful, but it was just like all the things that it came with, like as far as the features. And I just really wanted a double oven. Although I'm not the biggest cooker in the world, when I do cook, like on holidays and things like that, I just wanted to have the option to cook two things at one time. I just thought that was just so cool. But so what happened was I was in IKEA shopping, and oh my gosh, I love IKEA. Oh my gosh, I love IKEA. Anyway, I was in IKEA shopping, and I always go to the last call area, or like the back of IKEA where it has like, I guess, returns and like discounted stuff or whatever. So I was in there, and oh my gosh, you guys, I found a stove. Perfect size, gas range, slide in. Everything about the stove was amazing. So I asked the sales associate, like, what's wrong with the stove? Why is it here? It was just sitting there randomly. And she was like, oh, it's our last year's model. We actually have a new model coming out, so we are discontinuing this line, and this is the one that we had in the store or whatever. So I was like, was it ever open? Did anybody ever have it? Like, whatever. And she said, no, it is unopened. It's brand new, whatever. This is the caveat. This is the reason why I said this is for me. First of all, the cafe stove, I was actually going to get it around Black Friday, Cyber Monday, like that whole thing. They had 10% off all appliances. And it's originally like $3,300 something, and it had 10% off. So it was like $3,000, like $3,058 or something like that. But the clincher is, everywhere I tried to buy it from, Home Depot, Best Buy, Lowe's, even Wayfair, everybody was backstock. I wouldn't have received the stove until sometime in March. Anyway, I'm walking through IKEA, like I said. I see this stove. It was $519. Here's the thing, you guys. My birthday is May 19th, which is 5/19. So when I saw that, I was like, this is a sign. I'm so into signs and things like that. It was the perfect range. It was the perfect size, everything like that. I will post a picture of the stove that I got from the website. So it's like stainless steel. It is a lot of black in it, but it ties into the whole theme of my kitchen. So I'm super excited about that. So I was able to get the stove for literally a fraction of the cost that I was actually budgeting to spend on appliances. So when I went back to the kitchen, when I went to the cabinet people where I order my cabinets from, I had my measurements and everything like that, and I was under the impression that I had to get an 18-inch dishwasher because it was just like a little skinny space for the dishwasher. So going back and forth, I actually end up being able to order a 24-inch dishwasher, which was amazing because the 18-inch dishwasher is a specialty dishwasher. So those were running around like $700 to $800. So because I was able to get a 24-inch dishwasher, I actually got it for $400. So that was amazing too. So I was able to save on that. I think those were my two biggest things. I ordered the faucets from Wayfair. I got a sale on the faucets. Oh, you guys. So sourcing the faucets was kind of difficult because I wanted something a little different, not so basic, but I also wanted it to be very, very contemporary. And I do not like a lot of like swivels and curves and things like that. I'm very angular when it comes to like things. I wanted to look more modern. I ordered these faucets from Wayfair. I'll show you guys. For the 2 bathrooms upstairs, and for the bottom bathroom, for the powder room, I ordered actually a brass faucet, which was a little bit more expensive. But the 2 faucets, I found them for $50 a piece, and that included the drain, like the pop-up drain. So that was amazing because a lot of the faucets that I was finding, it came with the actual faucet, but you have to order the drain separately. And so in the first floor powder room, I plan on doing like a really big brass circle mirror. So it'll tie the brass faucet with the knob and the mirror, and then everything else is going to be like, I want that room to be a little moody. So my kitchen faucet, I actually got it off of Wayfair as well, and these faucets are pretty popular. And so when I saw this faucet, I was super excited because it has the brass, but it ties in with the black of the kitchen, and I think it was just go. Okay, let's talk cabinets. My cabinets were supposed to be black cabinets in the kitchen with white walls, but they did not have black cabinets in stock at all, anywhere. I could not find black cabinets. So I ended up going to a cabinet place that is local in my area, and they had cabinets available and in stock, but it is shaker white cabinets. What I planned on doing was getting the cabinets painted professionally, but actually after I saw the cabinets installed, I'm like, I'm okay with white cabinets, at least for now. And maybe later on and I'll paint the cabinets black, but I plan on doing a black island. Okay, let's talk about another modification that I had to do, the backsplash. I planned on doing like a really pretty backsplash, but the tile that I want is backstocked, and it will not be available till March or so. So until my tile come in stock, I'm just going to keep the wall bare, and then I'll go back through when it's done and get the backsplash installed. And I was actually excited about that because I'm thinking like maybe I can do it myself, and that could be a cute DIY project. And if it's horrible, I can just always take it down and get it installed professionally. But you guys, I'm so excited. The house is coming together. So I'll keep you guys posted moving forward more consistently. But thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. If you have any suggestions or ideas for me, leave them below. Okay guys, so we're at the house and I'm about to walk through and see what is the status before I get back on the road. And so it should be in the final phases, so we shall see. Is that on there? Okay, so taking a quick walkthrough around, the office space is close to finished. The floors are down. They need to be cleaned a little. Walls are done. Paint starts tomorrow. So most of this stuff will be cleared out because they have to come and caulk and paint. So that's that. Let's see the kitchen. Floors are finished. The kitchen is in now. This is pulled out. But we have our vent and our stove. Countertops are in. Cabinets are in. Are they finished? Yeah. So this is going to be hopefully complete. I have a light fixture that I sourced. Okay, we're walking. All right. This is the main living area. Again, floors are done, walls are done. This is gonna be my entertainment area. Okay. Doors in. Oh, he hung the right door. Okay, so we have the proper door hung. This looks gorgeous. So we're doing barn doors on the interior doors, and this barn door matches the flooring really, really well. I really love it. Okay. Bathroom, yeesh. Flooring is done, walls are done, exposed brick. Sink is installed. It's just everything just needs to be cleaned, but this is amazing. That makes me happy. Floors are down. This brick right here will be pointed and redone and glossed to give you that really nice feel. And then the walls are going to be like a nice charcoal, so it gives it a really nice vibe. Okay, let's go upstairs and see what we've done before we hit the basement, and then we're out of here. Okay, and I see that they are almost on the second floor standing. And again, walls are done. Barn door is on. Floor is almost done. I'm loving it. Bathroom. Shower is tiled. And the floors are tiled. Sink is installed. Vanity in place. So this is a glass that's gonna go here, and then pocket door is installed. Just need a glass piece for this. That's done, so that's cool. Love the way that looks. My bedroom. Floors are close to complete from what I see. This looks very nice. Love the floors. Okay, walls are done. Tub is going here. I feel it. I feel the magic. Cat, what is it? Closet one there. Door is installed. Is it? Yes, door is installed. Cool. So now that this door is installed, it gives me an idea, because behind this door, I want a mirror. So it's gonna be mirror and then door. I like that. Okay, let's see if there's any progress on the third floor. Oh, bathroom is in place. We have progress. We're happy. Bathroom is in place. Progress, yes. Pocket door is supposed to go here, so I don't know what's this about. Bathroom is in place. Bedrooms, I guess this is the space that they're working in, because the floors are already done up here. Final bedroom. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, and then lastly, we're going to take a look at the basement, and we're done. Okay, so we're in the process of getting the basement redone, because like I said before, the basement is going to be a theater room, gym, laundry room, craft room. So we actually have work going on right now, and I just want to see how it's looking down here. Okay. Oh, cool. So the floor, we don't have to step all the way down. The floor is dug up. So what's the next phase is for them to put the aggregate, which is like a gravel, and then cement the floors. And then they're doing the walls too. So it's going to be fresh concrete. Then I'm going to spray paint the ceilings black, or do a layer of paint. It's going to be black paint at the ceilings. But yeah, we're in the process. So we're moving. It's moving along. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.